Today, the insurance industry finds itself facing significant changes in their business models. Changes that are already on their way of being executed in other branches, like for example, retail and travel industry. But the insurance industry has traditionally been a low involvement, low interaction industry, and thereby not attracting too much of customers' affection and no heavy customers' demand for real changes. Therefore, in the past, senior management of insurance carriers felt no real customer pressure to adapt their strategy plans. Nevertheless, time has come where managers need to change. They need to change their mindsets and introduce some significant digitalization strategies. And parallel to protecting their core businesses, they should simultaneously start heading for a new direction and introducing significant changes to the business models by setting up two core activities. First, each insurance carrier strategy plan should include some core activities to introduce an overall company omni-channel strategy, redefining a client-centered organizational structure and lining up sales, customer relations and marketing activities around customers' demands. On the other hand, insurance carriers should think outside of the box, focusing on how to put into value the main asset the industry has been building up throughout decades of hard work, the customer interface. These organizations have a massive amount of information about their clients and an invaluable position of credibility towards them. Therefore, insurance carriers should be evaluating the possibility of building up a network through which products and services are offered by various players, creating direct and indirect rewards for the company. To achieve this, you need to build up an ecosystem. An ecosystem is an interconnected set of services that allows users to fulfill a variety of needs in one integrated experience. The rise of ecosystems is the natural result of digitalization. Organizations with adaptability at the core of their designs and strategy will be poised to use it to their advantage. Through digital ecosystems, companies are betting big on opportunities that have the potential to realign global markets, thus ushering in an area of sectors without borders. At the heart of ecosystems are platforms, systems that make integration easy. A platform is a business model that allows multiple participants, producers and consumers, to connect to it, interact one with another and create an exchanged value. The most successful companies in the digital area, including Amazon, Alibaba and Facebook, were all designed on platforms' business models. One way to use ecosystems is participation. It essentially means offering insurance as a service by integrating with existing platforms. Especially B2C ecosystems offer new distribution channels and new customer access. For example, Liberty Mutual and Generali are integrating with Google's Nest platform, thus entering customers' homes and daily lives. Another way is orchestration. It means bringing together services from different participants on one platform, thereby fulfilling customer needs really end-to-end. Insurance benefit not only from selling more policies through an ecosystem, but also from better risk selection, higher customer experience, and thereby better retention of customers. While orchestration brings more benefits to the insurance companies, it's also the harder role to play. It requires digital excellence, true customer access, and analytical power of data. At the same time, you face fierce competition from likes of Apple, Google and Amazon. Today's most relevant ecosystems in this insurance industry, and that thus represent the most salient entry points, include mobility, housing, health, wealth protection and B2B services. The rise of ecosystems is simultaneously one of the greatest opportunities, biggest threats and most daunting challenges of digitalization. This wave of ecosystems does provide a chance for some players to realign priorities and initiatives and leapfrog the competition in the process. But becoming an ecosystem player requires far more than technology investments alone. Instead, insurers must reformulate their strategy plans by taking a 360-degree view of the organization across multiple dimensions to ensure that their investments align with the requirements. The alignment of omnichannel strategy and participation in the digital ecosystems are key issues to each management board in the industry. A transformation plan to structure senior management's ideas and operationalize activities of change should be structured by external advisors capable of providing significant guide to the organization.